Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have something pretty special. This is the 2010 Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson edition. So this is an auction truck, obviously not for retail. It's got 170,000 miles on it. She's got a little bit of rust on her. You know, just a... Okay, just a little bit of... just a little bit of rust on her, but it is what it is. Absolutely sweet truck. I put no force into that. Got Harley-Davidson badging everywhere. So you have your VIN, serial number, absolutely everything, all right here. High quality leather, heated, cooled seats. So remember correctly, this is a Lariat Premium with the Harley-Davidson pack. I think that's how they did these. Got tow haul mode. Do have backup camera. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it. Oh yeah, with the volume off, it won't do it, but it tells you what channel. It says Sirius Y2 country. It was really odd the first time I heard it. I'm sure there's a setting to shut it off, but without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. She's got the good old 5.4 in her, which is 0.4 better than a 5 liter. Yeah. Well, you know, if you think displacement is the end all be all. It's always my luck that when I'm filming, there's always traffic. Might have heard there, she's got an occasional misfire. Nothing major. Now, if I remember correctly, I think one of the advertising points were the mufflers that were on this truck were designed to kind of sound like a Harley. That's kind of pushing it, but I think this was a good, I mean, I think they still do these trucks. I think now they're GM products, but it's a great marketing opportunity because let's be honest here, a motorcycle isn't good on a rainy day. So to, you know, have something to tow your motorcycles around, if you want to stick loyal with the Harley-Davidson brand, obviously Harley-Davidson themselves don't make pickup trucks, so something like this is absolutely perfect for that. It's a good way for Ford at this time to say, hey, you have a bunch of Harley-Davidsons, you want to have a truck that matches your Harley-Davidsons and has the character of a Harley-Davidson, sort of. This is your option. There's that misfire. I do like this truck a lot. I mean, it's pretty darn cool. I love oddball stuff like this. Like, these are rare trucks. You really don't see them. I don't know if these were limited production. They are individually numbered, but it looks like there could be up to 10,000 of these, right? Yeah, because this is 1928, and there's a 0 in front of it. So there could be up to 10,000 of these. I don't know exactly how many were made each year. I'm sure I could look it up, but I really didn't spend enough time to care that much. There you go. Now you get the good old misfire. They're a good little truck. Yeah. I love auction cars. I love them. Are we seriously gonna play this game? I don't want to play this game of let's wait for the traffic and all this crap. I don't want to play this game. This is not a fun game for me. I could have made that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.